Yeah, it's been a long winter. The video series of my last trip was called From Birth to Cradle. The trip started at my berth in the marina where the boat normally is kept, and it ended in this video, and the boat is in its cradle, wintering up on the hard. So that is, I'm going to include a few clips of this, so enjoy those, and I'll talk a little bit to you guys afterwards. So this is the boat out of the water. I've started cleaning the hull and it looks rather good. It's a bit of growth, but not too bad considering the time it has spent in the water. So that was the boat out of the water. It's gonna be nice to feel it move again the right way. It shakes a bit in the cradle as well when it's really windy like right now. It's not too bad today, but yeah, we have had some interesting nights in the marina here that I've just gone to the boat and watched it throughout the night because I didn't want anything bad to happen to it. It's going to be a while until I release the next video here now, and that is because I am going out sailing of course over this season, and I'm going to record as much as possible and start releasing videos again in the fall. That's the plan anyway. So I would like to wish you guys a nice summer. Enjoy it. I will. I'm really looking forward to getting the boat back in the water now, so I can start sailing again. So thank you so much for watching and sticking around. I appreciate that. Thank you. See you in a few months.